Rule 115. Rights of the accused. In all criminal prosecutions, the accused has the right to be presumed innocent until proven otherwise. They are entitled to be heard by themselves and counsel to be informed at the nature of the accusation against them, and and to have speedy, impartial, and public trial. The accused also has the right to confront witnesses face to face, and, and to have compulsory process to secure the attendance of witnesses and the production of other evidence in their behalf. Rule 116. Arraignment and plea. Arraignment involves reading the information to the accused in the presence of a judge, asking whether they plead guilty or not guilty. If the accused pleads guilty, the court must conduct searching inquiry into the voluntaries and full comprehensions of the consequence of the plea, requiring the prosecution to prove guilt and the exact degree of culpability. If the accused pleads not guilty, the court sets the case for pre-trial. Rule 117. Motion to quash. Now, the accused can file a motion to quash the complaint or information based on the grounds like lack of jurisdiction, the complaint or information not conforming to the prescribed form, the accused having been previously convicted or acquitted, or the offense charge having been expressly pardoned. Rule 118. Pre-trial. After arraignment, the court scheduled pre-trial conference to discuss plea bargaining stipulations of facts, marking of evidence, waiver of objection to the admissibility of evidence, and other matters to promote a fair, speedy trial. Rule 119. Trial. After a plea of not guilty, the accused has the right to trial. The trial should be held as continuous as possible, with the accused having the right to confront witnesses and present evidence. Article 120 of the Revised Penal Code, correspondence with a hostile country. Article 120 of the Revised Penal Code, or RPC of the Philippines, defines and penalizes communicating with an enemy country during a time of war. This law aims to prevent, avoiding, or information the enemy that could harm the Philippines.